Hi guys, welcome back to a new stream. That's good. I really wanna get over with this thing. Okay, let's so what? Okay, so this completed 5 front end on this one. This one I'm doing the questions for this, and then gonna finish this and this. So two sections from this, and this is the fourth one, my third one, and then third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and then seven sections that we have. I'll finish it. Destructuring assignment. Man, the things are not going as I planned, so I need to be quick. I need to finish these things. So okay, I did that, and then I think, yeah, I did it. This is one. No, I did it. Oh yeah, the full syntax is smart functions. There are times when a function has many parameters, most of which are optional. That's especially true for user interfaces. Imagine a function that creates a menu. It may have a width, a height, a title, and a list of so on. Yeah. In Yo and the guy. Hi, Enfield. How are you? Yeah, I'm the Ento guy. What up, salary man? Yeah, what's wrong with this bot? Good man, very excited for 2 days off and then back to work again and rinse and repeat. Today's off. I am enjoying your holiday weekend. Cool. That's cool. What do you like to do for holidays? I mean, weekends. Ignore the goat in the background. Can't be helped. Nothing. Take walks, I guess eating. Better be finding something. You know what I'm talking about. Better find some stuff to fiddle with. There are times when a function has many parameters, most of which are optional. That's especially true for user interfaces. Imagine a function that creates a menu, which may have a width. It may have a width, a height, a title, an item, list, and so on. Here is a bad way to write a such query. Yeah, that's a bad way. Yeah. Hi. Man, the reading is not. I'm falling behind on my schedule. I should have finished all this in 2 or 3 weeks, but it's been over a month. Now what am I doing? In real life, the problem is how to remember the order of the arguments. Usually IDEs try to help us, especially if the code is well documented, but still another problem is how to call a function when most parameters are okay by default. Undefined where default values are fine. The fuck, day 45 coding already. Yeah, and I'm still doing this. It's already day 45, man. Not good. From today I'm not gonna count the days when I don't code. So yesterday I didn't code, so nope. Shit, time flies. Yeah, time flies, man. Show menu. In real life, the problem is how to remember the order of arguments. Usually ideal, but still the problem is how to call a function when most parameters are okay by default. That's undefined is defined. That's ugly because undefined where default values are fine. So that's ugly and becomes unreadable when we deal with more parameters. The restructuring comes to the rescue. Oh. So when we pass parameters as an object in the function, and the function immediately destructurizes them into variables. So this is the thing. So that's what we pass. Okay, I mean that's our object. We pass the object function, this to function call, and that we doing, and immediately expands it to variables, to title with 20, sure, like that, with item taken from options, with title, this, and then what else, this from there, yeah. Title items taken from options, width and height are used by default. This like that. I was here, yeah. We can also use more complex destructuring with nested objects and column mapping. Okay, what's that? Let's option this. Okay, I didn't do that, right? So title is entitled with this, that. Items. First element goes to the item 1, second to item 2. I'll just do this. Let's get our fingers. I'm legit only excited for weekdays now because I get to treat. Yeah, and I think you can only treat 4 days a week, I guess, because I've done that. Yeah, I've also lost money. Add-ons. Yeah, only 4 days, I guess, 3 or 4 days. Not good, man. We can also use more complex destructuring with nested objects and column mapping. Losing money is fun though. Not when you're poor. Not when you don't have money to lose. Add-ons, options. My lord. True. Yeah. For you it's not true, because you have many truths. Damn, the rich guy in the chat. My menu. Losing 2k every month. Every 2 weeks. Damn. Items. Item 2. Function. Stop that. Show menu. Okay, and this is our destructuring. Warming up my fingers. Man is so. It goes to W. We can also use more complex destructuring with nested objects and column mapping. Oh. Yeah, I should try to do the questions of the concept that I learned on the same day. Otherwise, things become weak. It's not good. Yeah, what's right? Yeah. Okay, my god. Okay. Don't lose it. And items is item 1, the item 2. Okay. Oh my lord. Width goes to double. Yeah, of course. Width goes to W, height goes to H, and then my item in items, first element goes to items first element goes to item 1 and second element goes to item 2. That's it. Yeah, that's a function, so I got that. And then console log. Can I have our title W H. Can you like that too? I will have everything over here. Item 1 $, item 2 Everything is fine, yeah. Haha. Okay, I don't want to about that. What? Oh, I didn't call the function. Damn. Options, options. Destructuring. Yeah. My menu 100 item 1 item 2. Yay. Item 1p 2p. Yeah. That. Copy that. I'm tired of these simple things. The full syntax is the same as for destructuring, and the full syntax is the same as for a destructuring assignment. Destructuring assignment. The function and incoming property variable name. Function destructuring a segment. That incoming property value, no, name. I mean, yeah, like that's the incoming property variable, that's the default value for it. As name default value, all that, you know. That's it. Then for an object parameters, then for an object of parameters, there will be a variable var name for the property incoming property with default values by default. Then for an object of parameters, there will be a variable name, like let's say like this, for property incoming property with default values. Okay, like that. Get it, I guess. Please note that such destructuring assumes that show menu does have an argument. If we want all values like that, Please note that such destructuring assumes that show menu does have an argument. If we want all values by default, then we would. What am I thinking? Please note that such destructuring. Please note that such destructuring assumes that show menu does have an argument. Show menu does have an argument. Wait a minute. I forgot. These are called. Which is argument? This is argument, and what you call these? God dang it! Oh my God, these. That's a parameter. Which is parameter, which is argument. That's an argument. That's an argument, right? That's a parameter. What? From text. Yeah, these are parameters. Yeah. Yeah, these are parameters, and these are arguments. Oh my God. God dang. I guess. Please note that such destructuring. Please note that such destructuring assumes that show menu does have an argument. If we want all values by default, please note that such destructuring does have an argument. Okay. If we want all values by default, then we should specify an empty object. Okay, all values are default. This would give an error. We can fix by making the default values for the whole object. We can fix this by curly braces the default values for the whole object of parameters. If we want all values by default, then okay. Oh, like that. This. Let's just copy it. Okay. What's this? And this to be untitled, and then this is fine. And this would become untitled, and then these will remain the same. Yeah. What? What's wrong with it? Title with menu. Oh, not then. Then for an object of parameters, there will be a variable var name for the property incoming property with default. Please note that such destructuring assumes that please note that मैं मार दूंगा मैं किसी को what am I doing? Please note that such destructuring assumes that show does have an argument. If we want values by default, then we should specify an empty object. So this would give an error. Okay, all values are default. Okay, this is gonna give an error. Gives an error. अभी क्या मैं मार दूं किसी को? अभी क्या चाहिए भाई तुझे? बारे क्या है? what cannot destructure property simple dot iterator or as it isn't defined. Yeah, where is it? 1111. This I'm just gonna remove it. That's it. Now it works, right? What, cake donut? What? Oh, I think cake donut item 1 2 from here. It took from here. Don't want these, bro. I mean, all by default. But these are not default. Oh yeah. How do you like JavaScript so far? I don't know, man. It's all right. Hate it some days. Not that complicated, not that complex. I'm slow. I'm just slow. That's it. Oh man, I remember those days when I used to do math, like very complex problems. I've forgotten everything now. Yeah. Can't even do a multiplication well. But yeah, I like, man. So we can fix this by using in the code above the whole argument object is by default, so there's always something destructured. Shit. Yeah, it works for this, for not for my teri maa ka teri ka. Lol. Yeah, my life is lol. Please note that this such destructuring assumes that does have an argument. If we want all values by default, then we should specify an empty object. Let's see if we don't give this, what happens now? Cannot read title 1.8. Yeah, but now it's good. No. I again forgot what you call these. These are arguments. They're parameters. I don't want to. Wait. In the cool about the whole argument object is this. Okay, this. So there is always something to be destructurized. There is always something to destructurize. Let me do the thing, man. Fuck these questions. Bro, why is life so unfair? Array, ordered, unordered list. You will list. I can't even do HTML, to be honest. How do you write a title of this? Like that, right here? Can you like type? No. I really don't know HTML, bro. I think it works. Destructuring assignment allows for instant mapping an object or array into many variables. Should be above. Like that. What about like I don't like this piece. Oh, you already have title. I mean, I do have, but it's the main title, and this should be 2 actually. This is summary. It's in your head. It's in my head. This, but not this title. I'm not talking about this title. Yeah, it's the document title. I mean, the here. Where is it? Yeah, this is the title. You don't use title in your body tag. I know that. I mean, yeah. Of course, it's for this. I was like, like, yeah, okay. Can I put it over here too? But it goes over here, so it looks ugly. It should be over there. Yeah. You should probably create a div for a title. And what do I go like that? Can you believe I'm doing JavaScript, React, and whatnot? And then I don't know HTML. Yeah. After this, I will do HTML, CSS. But it's fine. Destructuring. I haven't used them, so that's fine. Allows. Come on, man. I will have to look into this. Yeah, it's fine. I know when I will do things, then I'll do it. And fuck it, man. Destructuring assignment allows for instant mapping an object or array onto many variables. Destructuring assignments allows for instantly mapping an object or array onto many variables. Yeah, you're gonna see me type this thing. Oh my lord, I hate it. The full object, like prop, variable name, default value, and the rest, and then the object. This means that property prop property prop should go into variable name, and if no such property exists, then the default value, that's the default value, should be used. Okay, and object properties have no mapping are copied to the rest. Yeah. How do you like? I want to use like this kind of. Can you do this? Like this code. I want to highlight the code differently, like in a code section where you can copy. I think. Do you have it? Can you do it like that? It's in die. There. Which one is it first? Oh, this is the one. Okay, this is the div. What are they doing? Div class. God dang, it's too much. Oh, language code. Oh, like that? What's that? Fuck it. Ain't doing that. I know that Hamid will get the job before me. my study methods are damn not very structured. I'm going up and down the ladder. This means that the property prop should go into variable var name, and if no such property exists, then the default value should be used. Object properties that have no mapping are copied to the rest. Yeah, I know that. The full syntax. This would be funny. That would be funny. Yeah, who knows? I don't know what's gonna happen. Eh? Like, you know, the he's doing everything like from the starting because he doesn't know, but I've done this stuff already, so I think I don't need it. But when I run into some very basic problem, like a very basic concept that I should be knowing, and then I have to go back to these things. So yeah, it feels weird. The full array syntax is let item default value item, like for object like that, and arrays like that. Then the first item goes to item 1, the second item goes to item 2. Yeah, and all the rest are arrays. It's possible to extract data from nested arrays. Objects for the left side must have the same structure on the right side. It's possible to extract data from nested arrays. Objects for the left side must have the same structure at the right side. Like that. I don't like that. Yeah, this. Okay, so like here, same. Put size here, like that. Yeah. Okay, those are the questions, man. The real learning is here. At least you can now put N2 in your Japanese resume now. I don't even know if I'm oh man. I don't know, where do people get that confidence? Even if they can't say like hello, how are you in Japanese, and they put N2 and 1. I don't have that confidence. Who laughs like that, man? Fucking asshole. Destructuring assignment. Here I'm copying everything. Damn. We have an object. Okay, let's let user name is John. What's wrong with John? Every time it's John. Is your real name also John? Write the destructuring assignment that reads. Here's the value for the write the destructuring assignment that reads name property into the name variable and years property into age. Years property into age. Hamid English name is probably John. Good bay. He's from everywhere, man. How do you destructure it, man? Wait a minute, let me see the syntax. Look at the syntax. Prop. That's my name. Name goes to name. Hey? I mean, name is name. Isn't it fine? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, let me see the cheating. Oh, it's not cheating, bro. Okay, I'm looking at the thing. Oh yes, I'm right. I'm doing it right, yeah. Years, and then we have age property. That's it. E no kana? E desu yo ne. I think that's it. And then is admin property into the variable. False if no such property. False. User should be right. Here's an example of values after 4. Here's an example of values after your assignment. Oh man, huck off. I wish my name was Kim Lee Young like that. Sounds cool, so cool, man. Damn, I was born in a wrong country. What's wrong with you now? Can I not use it? Name property. John, I got a John. Oh, can I use this? Age 30. What if I use that? Is abdomen force. I mean, I think I did it. So that's John. There's your code to the left side. Yeah. User a name, years, age, its admin false. Yeah, that's correct. Oh yes. Okay. Man. Question 1. Yeah, it would have sounded so cool. Yokshlihan. The maximal, what's maximal? Maximum? What's a maximal? My lord. Maximal. Adhik se adhik, maximum. Maximal is maximum, right? Sorry, there is a salary object. Salaries object to John. I'm gonna Yoksh 300. Lee, yeah, I remember Lee, man. He died. Have you played Walking Dead? Damn, he was my favorite character. He died, man. Create the function top salaries. Top salaries. Then Sarah. If the salaries is empty, it should return no. If there are multiple top 8%, return. If the salaries is empty, turn not. If PS, what's PS? PS, use object.entries and destructuring to iterate over key values. And destructuring to iterate over key value pairs. First we do the destructuring, I guess. Employee now. How should I go with it? I don't realize. Let me see. If salaries is empty, it should return the. So yeah, I mean, name is name. I mean, I can like employ. I can do like employee, and oh, can I do this? Employee. employee.salary. Yeah, I don't know salary. Let's go with this. Okay. I mean, let's see if it's right or what. Could be wrong. Don't have that. Could be wrong. Wait a minute. I think that's wrong. Salary. If there are multiple top paid person, return any of them. I have no idea. Like, I think I even did the destructuring wrong. Let's see over here, man. I mean, don't have a name over here, so isn't that fine? That's wrong. Once your job ready, you can make a lot of money, and then you can get a QJP girl and go to Disneyland together holding hands. Sheesh. Yeah, I hope so. I don't think. I don't know. I don't see those days. As of now. I'm blind. Can't even do this. Okay, don't give up. Don't give up, bro. It's fine, you know. It's fine. Don't give up. I mean, look at something. Like, yeah, this thing use like this thing. So loop over the keys and values. That's key and value. So huck this no kana. Loop over the key and values. I think I got it. Is it okay to look at these examples and then do my question? Is it right? Is it right approach? I think it's fine. Wait a minute. I was looking for one thing. Yeah, I think it's fine. Oh, whatever, you written that. Top Saturdays. Yes. Wait a minute, like first we will do only this, like first we will do this, okay, yeah, then we do the destructuring thing. So that's our key and that's the value. Like, I have not studied this, but so I don't know much about it. So, well, you know what? I think that's an excuse. I don't know it. Shut up. Object with entries. Static method runs an array. Returns an array. But we want it for an object, bro. Oh, that's an object. Yeah. What static method returns an array. It returns an array of Method returns an array of given objects own enumerable string keyed property key value pairs. What's this language? So const key value of object dot entries. Object goes over here. Boom, like that. Okay. I don't know, it's written like that, so guess it's fine. Object, an object. Return value, an array of the given given object's own enumerable string keyed property. An array. Return value is an array of the given object's own enumerable string keyed property key value pairs. Each key value pairs is an array. Each key value is also a good name. Each key value pair is an array with two elements. The first is the property key, which is always a string, and the second element is the property value. Description object dot entries return an array whose object dot entries returns an array whose elements are always corresponding to the I lost it. Object dot entries returns an array. Yeah, I know that much. Whose elements are array corresponding to the enumerable string keyed property key value pairs found directly upon the object. This is the same as iterating with a foreign array of object thing. Okay, this is the same as iterating with the for in loop, except that the for in loop enumerates property in the property chain as well as the order of the array returned by. This is the same as iterating with the for in loop, except that the for in loop enumerates properties in the property chain as well. The order of the array returned by object or entries is the same as that provides for. If you only need the property keys, use object.keys. Instead, if you only need the property values, use these. I need both. So yeah, entries, this is this and this is this. So what it's gonna return, it's an array is with this. Okay, like that. Like key value pair returns an array whose elements are always array corresponding to the enumerable string keyed property key value pairs found directly upon object. Array like so: 0 A 1 B 2 C, random keys 100 A. What do you mean random keys? Why the order is different? Get foo. Okay, is a non-numerable, enumerable. Okay. My constant object. My object dot create. Foo value. What's happening over here? Value? What do you mean by value? Value? Return this dot foo. value. What is that? A. What's this? Oh. Whatever, man. I don't care. I don't need to go so deep. That's all I need. Man, what's wrong with me? Entries dot salaries. Hi, Aman. Yo, hi. What up? You know, first we only do this. Yeah, come on. It's gonna return an array, okay? Or do I have to console it? Yeah, of course. है पागल है क्या भाई? पागल ही है क्या? पता नहीं कहाँ भाई, कहाँ पता नहीं क्या ही है, कौन क्यों ही कर रहा भाई तू? Sorry. Man, feel like an imposter. Array. Yes, baby. Yes. Ma. And now you come back. You come back. Now let's try to iterate over this. What it gives. I mean, key and value. Shh. Do. Why do I feel dumb? Is it okay to feel like that? Okay, trying to return that. Okay, now let's get back to the question. Man, how do you solve questions? If salaries is empty, it should return null. Salaries is empty. So, I don't know. Where do I use the destructuring then? I'm gonna switch from JS to Java. Congratulations. What's wrong with this dog? If salaries is empty, it should return. Okay, Emma. You know what? I know one thing. What I can do is. Okay, I just cheated. But it's fine, you know. It's fine, it's totally fine. If like we cannot check it. Entries dot salaries. If it's empty, you know. Yeah. How would I check that if it's empty? I'm gonna check the length. If it's equal to 0, then I just return null. Yes. You can cheat anytime, you know. Talk in Japan. Hey, how are you? I see your JLPT enter result. Yeah, you see that. Yeah, I'm good. What about you? If there are multiple top 8%, return any of them. But yeah. How do you do that? Why is it hard? And iterate over key value pairs. Destructuring. How do I use destructuring now? Oh yeah, here. To do that. Bro, I don't know. I mean, is it? I mean, it should be alright. Like, I haven't done any question like with this kind of thing, this kind of pattern, you know. So it's alright to not know. Like, I saw this because I knew how to do it. Because I've done a few before, but I don't know, man, about this. I'm gonna just look at that. Just think. I can think. Yeah. Okay, I'm not giving up. First of all, the question is how do I use the destructuring to iterate over keys to these? What's the syntax? It should be like that. The call should be like that. Salary is the call. That's the call. That's gonna return the main thing. And yeah, yeah. I don't know. Why am I dumb? I mean, I kind of have an idea. I mean, I can do it like that, but is it right? Yeah. Always. Okay. I'll do it. Oh, you. Fuck it. I'm no use, bro. Yeah, I did it on purposely. This one though, I knew it was going inside here. I was just trying to experiment. Maximum salary 0 and max name null. Oh, what about the destructuring? Like, what about the destructuring that this thing was talking about? The destructuring to iterate over keys value. Is that the destructuring? Is it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like, this thing returns an array of like that. Oh my god. Oh, this is the thing. This is the one. Yeah. And that's the destructuring that we are doing. Kana. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah. I need some air. Yo, man, it's alright to not know, you know. I'm not a fucking expert. I'm learning stuff. That's yeah. I'm not supposed to know everything. So yeah, it's fine. So if salaries is empty, okay. So return null. Okay. If there are if salary is empty, then return null. If there are multiple top paid person, return any of them. So if return max name, salary, do that. Don't stare at the thing, man. Just do it. That's how you learn it. That's max name. The maximum salary and the person who has the maximum salary. So that's the name. We initialize them, and then so that's our guard clause. I mean, that's the first condition. If the length is 0, then it returns null. That's the first thing. And if there are multiple top paid person, return any of them. So let me write this. I'm gonna comment the code. If salaries is empty, return null. And if multiple top paid person, return any one. Okay, so comparing them now. So oh, with the salary. Ah. Oh. 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 Okay. Max salary, like with the initial salary, like it's 0, so we're gonna compare it with the value over here, and if that's true, then we set the maximum salary to the value, and it's on the pass, and max name to the key. Fine this, yo. And then what we do is we just return. No, it's out of the loop. I don't know. I don't want to return it every time. Return max name. बैंड जो क्या है अरे क्या कर दिया मैंने what's this गाली मत दे यार, बहुत बेकार लगता है। Do this first. What am I doing wrong here? Is it finding that? No, of course not. I don't know. Return name. Who's gonna console log it? We're just returning a value. Where's my brain? Yoke. Oh, I got the. Bro, you are nothing. 0. God dang. Lee is the guy. Goddamn, you're unemployed. There's the guy. And access. Yeah, I should be aware of it. EO. That's fine. Being unemployed is not a crime. What am I looking at for now? Something, nothing. Like, I was thinking in this term. That way is what? Yeah. Am I EO? It's fine. It's totally fine. Salary, so of course it's gonna go there. Okay, let's do the next chapter. Let me cross it out. Yeah, this color is not good. Green color. Green works, right? Yes. Baby. 5.10, 11. Return max is null return. Okay, let's look at his exam. Top salaries. Oh, he used an arrow function like that, and then const top. Oh, that's destructuring. Top name only. He only wants the name. Object or entity salaries. Then he used a reduce method. Oh, reduce method. That's accumulator. I think he used reduce accumulator, right? So, oh, the salaries. So, oh no, like with this he got these things and over an array. So there's max value, max key value, accumulator, this, and then return max key, return if max key is null or max value is less than the value, this value less than the value. Like this is first condition and this is second one with this operator. So if it's true, then you return this. If it's wrong, false, you return this. And that's null. This is null, and this is 0. Like he did the same thing. Like that's max, like salary. You can say no. Max name is null here, and like that's the thing. So that's max key or max name is null, and then this is 0 here. These are these. I would say, yeah, these are these. I'm doing the same thing. Then return max null and then he returns it to the top name. Good. I have to log in. No, not good. Good. Date and time. New section after date and time. Date and time. HTML index.html. Should be like that. Gamma rays. My D and T. Yeah. This no. What? That's it. why date and time. Let's meet a new built-in object, date. It stores date, time, and provides methods for date, time management. For instance, we can use it to store creation, modification, times, to measure time, or just to print out the current date. Oh, how many times you wanna write that? Let's meet a new built-in object, date. It stores the date, time, and provides methods. It stores the date and time, provides methods for date time management. For instance, we can use it to store creation, modification, dates, times, to measure time, or just to print out the current date. Print out the current date. Boy. What a boy. Creation. Let's do the creation, boy. To create a new date object, call a new date with one of the following. That's simple. Okay. Thing is back. Me copying stuff, me commenting. The till here is fine. It's fine, buddy. Okay, so let to create a new date object, call new date. But to create a new date object, call new date with one of the following arguments. What do you mean? To create a new date object. Yeah. Now, date, whatever. To create a new date object, call new date with one of the following arguments. New date. Without arguments, create a date object for current date and time. What are you talking about? Without arguments. Without arguments, create a date object for current date and time. बहन से क्या बोल रहे हैं? Okay. तो गाली क्यों दे रहा है? But to create a new date. I'm hungry. That's why I'm hungry. Yeah. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, hungry, hungry. Yeah, I'll be back, man. I'm just hungry. That's why Kaishi. Do you know the meaning of Kaishi? It means start and start.